Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to bevel edges in SketchUp. Alright. Well, the first thing you need to do here is to download the extension called a Bevel. Alright. In here in extension warehouse, just click on it and look for Bevel. Hit enter. As you can see here, Bevel is available. Just hit on free and hit on install. Do you want to install this extension? Just tap or click on yes. Alright. As you can see here, the extension has been successfully installed. Just click on OK. And as you can see, the bevel tools are now available. All right, just click on X to close the extension warehouse. Now what we're going to do here is just, for example, I'm going to draw a circle. All right, like for example, right here. Now what we're going to do next is just pull this thing up. All right, now to make a bevel, say for example, this one. Okay. We're going to want to click on the bevel tool. Click. All right, as you can see here, it requires a license. Don't worry, you can go ahead and use the free version. Just go ahead over to this link right here, and I will leave this one in the description. All right, and don't know if you might notice the sound right here. It is currently raining. So again, subscribe to the free 15-day trial of the bevel tool. Now once done, you can just now go ahead and use the bevel. In here, select the surface, for example, right here with this green line. I'm going to tap on it. When we move our mouse, we can see the bevel right here, a representation of the bevel. Say, for example, like we wanted a bevel around here. All right, as you can see, when we do a close-up, as you can see here, we just made a bevel out of this circle object. All right, as you can see here, when you triple click on the object, you can just see the bevel that you just created. Right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.